You can try this practice question from CAT 1999. Please pause the video and try, and you can resume for the solution. Now the question says three circles, each of radius 20 and centers at P, Q and R. And further, AB is 5, AB is 5, CD is 10 and EF is 12. What is the perimeter of triangle PQR? Interesting question. Let's observe something. The line PQ is nothing but PF plus EF plus EQ. The next step is I will simply add EF to both sides. Why? You will realize this very soon. PF plus EF will be the radius of the left hand side circle, which is 20 in the question. Similarly, EQ plus EF is basically QF, the radius of the right hand side circle, and that's also 20 in the question. So I can say PQ is 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20 minus EF. EF has been given as 12 in the question. So PQ is 20 plus 20 minus 12, and that would be 28. Now the exact same logic we can use for the other two sides QR and PR of the triangle PQR, right? We can say that QR by the same logic will be 20 plus 20 minus of CD. CD has been given as 10. So 20 plus 20 is 40 minus 10. QR is 30 units. Exact same logic I can apply to find out the length of PR also. PR will be 20 plus 20 minus of AB, and AB has been given in the question as 5. So 20 plus 20 minus 5 is basically 35. Finally, we want the perimeter of triangle PQR. It will be summation of the three sides 28 plus 30 plus 35. All these three together give me a sum of 93, and that's the perimeter of triangle PQR, 93 square units.